English for all learners. Past continuous tense. We form the past continuous with the subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. I was reading a book. We make questions by placing was or were before the subject. Were you doing your homework when I called you? We make negative sentences by placing not after was or were. She was not playing basketball. In everyday conversations, we use wasn't or weren't in negative sentences. He wasn't listening to music. They weren't paying attention. When do we use the past continuous tense? For two actions that were in progress at the same time. I was dancing while she was working. When an action in progress was interrupted by another action. I was listening to music when she called. If you want more practice, watch the next video on our channel. Past continuous tense quiz. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. English for all learners.